Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Password Manager for workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Password Manager website. Sign in with your Google account credentials if prompted. Once you are logged in, locate the settings or profile option, usually represented by your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on your profile picture or the settings icon to access the account settings. Select the option for Passwords or Password Manager from the drop-down menu. In the Password Manager, find the option labeled Autofill and ensure that it is enabled. Enable two-factor authentication for added security if it's available in your settings. Now, open the application or service where you want to authenticate. When prompted for a password, look for the option to use a saved password or autofill. Select this option, and the Google Password Manager will automatically suggest the saved password. Confirm that the correct credentials appear, and proceed with the sign-in process. If you need to save a new password, complete the sign-in process and click the prompt to save the password in the Password Manager. Ensure that the password is saved correctly by checking the Password Manager again. To use Google Password Manager across devices, ensure you're signed in to your Google account on all devices. For mobile devices, download the Google Password Manager app if you haven't already. Open the app and sign in with your Google account to sync your passwords. Now you can access your saved credentials anytime, anywhere, simplifying your workflows. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings and ensure everything is configured correctly. Always remember to log out of your accounts on public devices for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.